It's a Huracan for a third the price. Dual clutch V10. So the exhaust took the brunt of the impact with this bar. Those two things saved the engine and transmission. We may have just hit a home run with this car. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be an exciting video, and that is because today's the day we pick up our new supercar. You guys joined me today in Anaheim, California, where I just flew into Los Angeles this morning at like 6 a.m. Left my house at 4 a.m. Finally got here, and now I just pulled up to VF Engineering. You guys are probably wondering, why are you at VF Engineering? And well, they were nice enough to store the car for the week until we could come pick it up. So while VF Engineering does tuning for a host of different cars, this car in particular is one that they are very well known for tuning, and it makes a very sizable difference. So before I've even driven the car, here we are modding it and having VF Engineering tune it. And yeah, I'm just excited to get reunited with it. I previewed it before I bid on it at auction, and then we ended up winning it. So now a week later I can finally pick it up. And then from there, maybe we'll head down to LMC Collision, where he's gonna help me take off the damaged parts from the accident so that we can drive the car back to Arizona tonight. So into the back room we go, where we have a Audi R8 day. Every car in here is an R8, so you know we're in a good spot. So it's your first time seeing the car, guys. Here we go. Kieran and I previewed it a couple weeks ago, like I said, before we bid on it. That's always good to do, so you know what you're getting yourself into. Year 2015, and that is very important because the 2014s and 2015s are the facelifted models with the new headlights, tail lights, and best of all, dual clutch. It's gonna drive way better than the single clutch, like E-gear equivalent that we are very familiar with in our Lamborghinis. So all looks good, perfect so far, and yeah, that's where we got some damage. As you guys can see, obviously it was rear-ended. Damage isn't like the end of the world. This fender liner is gonna have to be removed so that the wheel can spin freely, and then we're gonna rip off the bumper and the crash bar and maybe do something with the exhaust. Little dent there from that being buckled in. Wings have to be replaced, but we're gonna go with the carbon fiber one anyway. Should be something we can work with. So we're getting everything cleaned up, ready to go. We got the piece covering the window off because it does need a new window. It got cracked. And now we're gonna put some fresh gas into it because it is desperately low on gas. Look
carbon
at that.
fiber, everything.
Full engine. This thing is spec'd out so nicely. V10, of course, not a V8. So this is stock 525, but with the tune, hopefully we can get up to like 560, 570, something like that. Check out all the carbon in here. I mean, full carbon interior, Bang & Olufsen sound system, which will be nice. What other options? Oh, carbon side blades, of course.
Yeah.
Those huge carbon side blades, red brake calipers. It's a really nice place to spend time. Like it's like a Lamborghini, but more comfy, more usable, more drivable. It's a Huracan for a third the price. Dual clutch V10. Never driven a V10 R8. We've been in Moose's down in Florida, and his was a tuned exhaust car. So we got a lot of mods in mind with this one, but we're starting off with the tune, which is gonna make it run better. It's gonna go faster, better throttle response, and then we'll get repairing it. I mean, here's a close-up. We just cut away the fender liner and the heat shield out of the way just so that it wouldn't rub on the tire. And then when we get to LNC, we're gonna get rid of all the stuff and then just go bumper delete for a while to get it home to Arizona and then begin work rebuilding it. So for our first startup with that fresh gas in there, hopefully it's good to go. All right, fire and hold. All right, maiden voyage. It's idling good, it sounds good. Quick, easy test drive, just to make sure the wheel and stuff isn't horribly bent.
Wait, is that beeping because of the wing?
We're about to find out. I swear if that beeps for 5 hours, I'm done. We can turn it off. Yes,
oh,
it's parking sensors.
Okay.
Phew, I swear if it was.
Yeah, it's because the parking sensors are all bundled.
All right, good so far. Wow, I love
Put in sport mode. So I've driven one of these, a convertible in Vancouver, and the sport mode on this car changes the entire feel of the car. It's crazy.
It turns fine.
So that's sport mode.
Shoot, that's what stock exhaust.
Yeah, that's what sport mode does. So
stock exhaust,
crazy.
Stock tune. It sounds like I'm driving a Huracan. And yet I have headroom, I have space. Oh, it feels fine, nothing's rubbing. We may have just hit a home run with this car. Everything feels good so far, but let's get that old tune off and then let's hit the road off to LNC.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun, 'cause you're desperate? Oh, here they come for a chance, for adventure. What's your poison? What's your pleasure? Oh, my city, she never sleeps. My city, she never weeps. My city, she keeps me alive. Give it up for my city, oh, oh, give it up for my city, oh, oh, give it up for my city, oh, oh, give it
Well, it looks like we are in the right place. LNC, collision and car customization. There's the Ghost that he actually bought from Phoenix. There's the Huracan that I think came from Florida. Holy cow, look at all those cars. These guys definitely know what they're doing, and he can tell me all the good, bad, and the ugly with this R8. Let's go find Vlad and see what he thinks of the car. Vlad's checking out the car. He's gonna pull it around back. Yo, yo, yo. All right, here we go. So he did a quick little walk around. He really, really likes it so far. He actually bought that Porsche there from the same lot that I bought this Audi from. So he remembers seeing this car, and he says we got a really, really good deal in his opinion. So this is so cool to see behind the scenes. If you guys don't know already, they do have a YouTube channel, so you gotta check it out. They do a lot of rebuilding of obviously crazy cars, and he's willing to help me get this thing a little bit better than it sits now, so I greatly appreciate it. All right, LNC HQ, what's up? The man, the myth, the legend. You saw it for a little bit. What's your opinion? What do you think of it right off the bat?
It's a beautiful car.
Nice pickup. All right, that's good, that's good.
I saw this car at the auction because it.
Yeah.
I bought a Porsche from there, and he got this one.
Good thing we didn't bid on the same cars. You got your car, I got my car.
Exactly.
But
yeah, no, beautiful head. Oh, for the most part, it's all cosmetical.
Yeah.
Bumper
Pretty light.
reinforcement, tail light.
Yeah.
And a little bit of quarter, and that's it.
Awesome.
Easy.
I like to hear that. Easy. All right, that's good. Sweet. We're gonna try to remove the bumper just so that it's not flapping around on the highway, and then we're gonna see if we reveal any other damage. But hopefully, you know, everything goes smoothly and we get into it and everything looks good. So
Yeah,
pretty
from
sweet.
the look, yeah.
What's the craziest rebuild you done?
Probably the 488 Spider.
You did a blue one, right?
Yeah.
That was completely destroyed, but you brought it back,
And
100%.
same with the 458, the white one.
You guys know your
Yeah.
stuff. Let's get checking it out. Here we go.
Where do you go when your heart with a fever? When she's cruel, but you won't leave her. Oh, here we are, all the freaks and believers, all the sweet neon.
All right, bumper is off and crash bar is off. Look at that. He made quick work of that.
Beauty between the exhaust and the engine, there's a lot of room. There's that big gap.
Gotcha. So the exhaust took the brunt of the impact with this bar. Those two things saved the engine and transmission. Sweet. All right, there we go. The two last pieces coming off the bumper. And then that bumper is trash. It's completely toast.
Done.
But I got all the hardware off it.
And stuff like that, it's like sometimes you think, oh, it's nothing, but you need brackets and stuff.
Yeah, when you need it, it can hold you up. There we go. Now, that's one trashed bumper and one trashed diffuser. Can't thank you enough, Vlad. All right, boom. That's closed. This is awesome. We're ready for the road now. And quick work of a difficult task, but that did not take long at all.
Took us, what, like an hour?
Yeah, under an hour to do all that, disassemble all that, and now we're good to get driving. Yes, sir. Oh, I love this car. It's gonna be such a fun project. Thanks again.
Nice.
See you next time. Alright guys, so we are currently in Coachella, California, and if we didn't mention it already, that window got busted out during the accident somehow, so I kind of spaced that out. So and I kind of spaced out the fact that we're going through a desert where it is currently 112 degrees. And yeah, so Casey and I are up here burning.
Not fun.
And it's kind of noisy.
Got some smoothies though.
Yeah, we stopped by Panera to cool down a little bit, got some ice water. We're about 4 hours still out, so we got 4 hours of desert. Other than that, the car is doing great. Great temperatures, it's running smooth, suspension's great, alignment's good, everything is like top notch, so I'm happy to see that.
2 hours later.
So if you can hear, this has been our current situation for the past 3 hours.
Windy and hot.
111 degrees. We're burning up, sweating. It's so annoyingly loud with the shuddering of the wind against our faces.
Our water's starting to boil a little bit.
We're getting there. We'll update you when we're in Phoenix. Okay, bye-bye.
We made it. Woo. Jeff let me drive. Thanks, Jeff.
One frozen wasteland later.
Well guys, 3 hours later, I made it back to the warehouse. Christian is actually in the car. He's driving it for the first time. As you guys know, he didn't make it on the trip, but he's here to check it out now and he's loving it so far. He was following in the Tesla and he said it sounded great, so yeah. Coming in for the first time, welcome home. Yeah. It's pretty good for stock. Okay. Christian, what do you think of Vlad and I's job to make your life easier? Look at that, we already did all the teardown pretty much.
That's the easy part.
Oh yeah, that's the easy fun part. Yeah, now he's got to source the parts. Comment down below or send us an email, jrgarage22@gmail.com, if you know anyone with a facelift rear bumper, so the circle exhaust tips, not the oval ones off like the 2010 to 2012 cars. We need the facelift one, or if you have a facelift taillight, let us know. It'd be greatly appreciated. We will happily buy them off you if it's a good deal. Stay tuned for that video of the VF Engineering tune, and comment down below future mod suggestions. We always want to hear your opinions. I mean, people are gonna say, oh, VF supercharge it, which would be insane. You're talking like 750 horsepower dual clutch. That would be awesome. So maybe that, but let's start with the tune. Other mods could be wheels. You guys are always crazy about wheels. I really like these. These are fine. I think these look really good. Also on the horizon, definitely probably a carbon fiber spoiler wing would look really good, and it would replace the stock one that's already busted anyway. And then an exhaust for sure. Comment down below. As you guys know, we straight pipe all of our cars. That's like a thing. Come on, you gotta have a lot of cars. So I think this one would be no different. It would sound amazing with a muffler delete or secondary cat delete, that kind of thing. So there you guys go.
Good. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let us know what you think of the new ride. I'm loving it. And stay tuned for future videos.
Subscribe if you guys are new. Don't miss out on future stuff. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.
Say that it feels right.